Alright, we're in room 325 here at the Hyatt house here in King of Prussia, Pennsylvania. Starting off, you have a peephole with a cover. Key card required there for your light. Right over there, these are your rules and regulations and your Pennsylvania innkeeper laws. Oh. After rely on sunlight, before we go to the restroom, we'll wait. In the restroom, we'll wait for our. Let's open up our shades. Get a view out the window. Right there's King of Prussia Mall in the distance. Very comfortable beds. I slept very well last night. Mini fridge, microwave, storage compartments. We have glasses. Very fancy. You got an ice bucket. TV channel light up there. You have LG flat screen TV, coffee maker in the desk. Standard hotel telephone. Timex alarm clock. Pennsylvania Bible. There's your storage compartment with a Bible. This could have been an adjoining room. A fully enclosed closet. Excuse the rather poor lighting. That'll do. Sink high. American Standard toilet here. Standard average performer overall. This is a really nice hotel. Glad I got to stay in it.